Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you guys? I hope we are all healthy wherever and whenever we are. Let me introduce myself. My name is Amanda PERMANA DEWI and you can call me Manda. I'm from class A2 2019 Math Education with name 1951 01 and 08. So, to complete the final assignment for the English course, I will present one of the journal entitled Challenges During the Pandemic Use of E-Learning in Mathematics Learning in Higher Education and compiled by Muhammad Irfan, Betty Kusumaningrum, Yuyun Yulia, and Sri Adi Widodo. In this journal, there are several sections include abstract, introduction, method, result and discussion, and the last is conclusion. As we know that currently all countries are preventing the transmission of COVID-19 as a whole, one of which is in our country's Indonesia. Exactly on March 16, 2020, many universities have decided to implement online-based learning. The study aims to determine the obstacles that arise after the implementation of online learning in learning mathematics in universities. So guys, in this introduction section, we explain the advantages and disadvantages of online learning. The advantages such as flexible and can be done widely. But there are also disadvantages, namely it is very possible to commit plagiarism. The internet is not supported and the device is not supported. As for many studies conducted by several experts, one of which is by Lizard et al. 2020, initiated research on barriers to the use of e-learning in Indonesia, but the participants involved were mathematics teachers. This research was conducted in Indonesia at the time of pandemic period and focused to find out the obstacles that arise after the implementation of online learning in mathematics learning in higher education. Therefore, the researchers hope that the findings of this study will help us understand the barriers to integration of e-learning in the midst of the COVID-19 pandemics. In the context of developing countries at the tertiary level, so that this research can add valuable insight to e-learning literature and provide important suggestions for improving e-learning practices. And then, in the method section, it is known that this research is a qualitative research with the type of case study. The case study is challenges faced by lecturers in implementing e-learning during the pandemic and what basic abilities of lecturers to support e-learning. For this reason, researchers collect data through online survey consisting of 27 questions. Data was collected using an online survey because surveys are easy to manage and access using a variety of devices. The data obtained were then grouped based on basic skill challenges, teaching and learning challenges, and university challenges. So, the research obtained from filling out the online survey show that learning management system-based platforms are the most widely used is Google Classroom and Edmodo, while video conferencing is the second option is Zoom and Skype, and WebEx platform and Google Meeting nobody uses it on research subject. But learn math using conference, the subject prefers to use Zoom and Skype. So, for the conclusion is many universities in Indonesia are still implementing online-based learning to minimize the spread of COVID-19. This is indeed a good effort in taking preventive action. But the limitation in learning cannot be denied. In the study explained the challenges faced by lecturers such as limitation in presenting material, especially mathematics material, lack of understanding in editing learning videos. The study proved that higher education policies by implementing online learning are not accompanied by the ability to use platforms that can support online learning. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.